So as we have learned about many display modules and some lighting modules, so here is RGB display module. So display might be tough to you, but we will be learning in this video. So an RGB LED or RGB light is red, green and blue LED or display. It is a special LED that can provide many different colors by mixing red, green and blue light. So think of it like a painting. Instead of mixing paint, this is mixing colors, and RGB LED mixes light colors like red light and green light and blue light. But turning these on and off or changing the brightness, you can create many colors on this LED module here. So how does it work? Inside this RGB, there are three tiny LEDs. So that is red LED, green LED and blue LED. The Arduino or ESP controls each one separately. Example, red only means only red, green only means only green, and blue only means only blue. So red plus green will become yellow, and red plus purple will be become sorry red plus blue will be becoming purple, and green plus red plus blue will be becoming white. So this is how this will be working. So now here we have four pins, but we don't have a positive pin here. Why? Because this red, green and blue, these three pins work like a VCC. So we need not add another VCC to our module. So when the Arduino will say that we need to turn on red, the red will get the power, and if we want to mix red and blue, then red and blue will be getting the power that will be making the purple light here, and that leads the negative current to be flowing through this minus here. So this minus is nothing but ground. So this are the pins of this working of these pins in the RGB display module. So display will be the combination of these LEDs in a bigger circuit. Like all over the circuit there will be red, green and blue LEDs, like our mobile phone and laptop and all. So now, what you can make out of it? We can make traffic lights, we can make rainbow effect or mood lamp, and robot status lighting and gaming project, or we can also make music light effects, etc. So now, easy way to remember is red pin will be controlling red, green will be controlling green, and B will be controlling blue. And these all are shared VCC, we can say that. So why shared? Because all three are working like the LED and as well as the VCC, that is power input pins. So the ground is common for all three. In one sentence we can say that an RGB LED is a single LED with three colors, that is red, green and blue, that can be mixed and create many different colors by controlling each color separately. So this is RGB display module or RGB LED module. So now we have learned about RGB module, and that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.